Hey guys, welcome back to the channel EduCool Zone, and today we are going to learn about identifiers in C language. So let's get started. What is an identifier? Identifier refers to the name of variables, functions and arrays. So we being the programmers have the freedom to name the variable whatever we want. Not only variable, even functions as well as arrays. So if we give that name, it means it is an user defined name. So we can name the identifiers by using alphabets, numbers and underscores. The only prohibition here is we cannot use the special characters in the name of the identifier. What is special characters? Special character is nothing but the question mark, the greater symbol, the lesser symbol, ampersand symbol, hash symbol and at the rate symbol. The only special character allowed here is the underscore. We can use both uppercase and lowercase letter. Since C language is case sensitive, it treats the lowercase letter differently and uppercase letter differently. We'll see that later. So the rules to follow while writing the identifiers. So the first character must be an alphabet. So while writing the identifier or while declaring the identifier, we have to follow some particular rules. Otherwise there is going to be error. So the first character must be an alphabet only. So we cannot use numbers, we cannot use underscore at the beginning of the name in the identifier. Must consist of only letters, digits and underscore. As I said, no other special character is allowed except for underscore. It should not be a keyword. As I said in a previous video which was on keywords, so keywords as a particular functionality. It's a fixed name. So while giving the variable name, we cannot use as keywords because it will lead to conflict. The compiler might misunderstand the variable name as keywords, which is going to lead to an error. So this is all about identifiers. So let's get started with the third type of C token, which is constants in C language. So what is constant? Constant is a fixed value that do not change during the entire program. So if we declare a constant once, it's not gonna change throughout the program. So it's constant. That's what it means. It's constant throughout the program. We cannot change it. So there are two types of constant. One is numerical constant and another is string constant. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed it, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.